Hey guys, this is Batches for Life once again, and sorry it's been a while since I've made another video. I haven't gotten any comments other than one on my calculator, which is just stupid. Just again, if you guys like my videos, please rate, comment, subscribe, anything. Okay, anyways, I have a few new batch files to show you guys. Pretty cool. The first one on my list is Tic Tac Toe. Okay, this is the big one. Alright, so Tic Tac Toe by me, and when you go to the main menu, you're prompted to play, settings, or exit. So the settings, I can't remember if I configured them yet, but yeah, I have. So you can just pretty much change the color. That's all. So you go into play. It says player 1 is X's, player 2 is O's. You know, because I didn't feel like writing the code in for somebody to have a name. I'll do that later. So X's always go first. So, let's go in 5. And now it's O's turn. So this is a two-player game. It's not single-player, but I am working on a single-player version right here, but so far it just crashes when I try to make the computer smart. But whatever. So, there, X wins, and goes back to the main menu. So it's a pretty simple little game I made, but I enjoy it quite much. And I also got this new program, Notepad++. Makes life so much easier. You guys have to get it if you're going to get into editing batch file code and stuff. Close these out. Yeah, you guys saw a little bit of my downloads HTML there. Anyways, this is the main screen you see when you turn it on. So, and these weird U things, they're actually full character blocks. That, I don't know, seems strange, but whatever. And then this is the wait however long code. So then this is just setting the color. And this sets the board of the game, actually. So right here, it sets this to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. So this is a very simple program, actually. And what it does is, if you try to go somewhere, first it looks to see if that place is occupied by an X or an O. And if it's not, it'll let you put it there. But if it is, say it's an X, it'll go right back to where you move, and it'll make you do something until you do something accurate that's correct. So you can't try to cheat or anything by changing somebody else's into yours. And right here, I just decided to quit writing all this stuff and just go ahead and do it right. But here is the code that asks pretty much whether or not somebody has won or not every time they do a move. So if you do a move, it then looks to see if you have 3 X's in a row anywhere on the board. And this little thing right here is the draw number. If you're familiar with the term draw, it means to tie or to have no winner. So if it equals 9, go to draw, which means the game's over and nobody wins. How that works is, every time somebody does a turn, it adds 1 to the draw number. And so, man, why is the screen messed up? I wonder. Whoa. Huh. Did it just do that? Screen's messed up. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, deselect that. So, moving on. So, every time you make a new move for a player, either one of you, it adds one to the draw number. And it checks the draw number after both players' turn, right here. So, if it gets to 9 and nobody's won yet, it'll go ahead and exit the batch file, and nobody, or it won't exit it, it'll go back to the, or it'll go to the draw, little section right here, it just says draw, and then goes to main. So, yeah, I mean, this is pretty much how it works. So, if X gets 3 in a row, it goes to this X wins. O gets 3 in a row, goes to O wins. I mean, it's that simple, guys. There's not much else to show you on it. I'm gonna do a tutorial video sometime in the near future on a lot of commands for batch files and how to make batch files and how to get ideas and all sorts of stuff like that. So if you really want to see this, I'm counting on you guys. You have to speak up, write comments, subscribe, you know, normal stuff. Otherwise, you know, I feel like I'm doing this as a waste of time. Anyways, that's the inside of it. And now I'm going to move on to my second one, which is a chatting program. Okay. And what it does is it allows you to chat with different computers over a local drive. So, like, I don't know, if you're at school or something, like, if you're at school, you can go to computer, and instead of only being the C drive, which is mine, you'll have ones down here under a network header that will be like an O drive or an E drive or something. So any kind of drive, like a hard drive, the school's local hard drive. And you put these 3 batch files in a folder inside of it. So like in here, I'll make a new folder, put it in there, and then all your friends, see like right here, that's not supposed to be there. So all your friends can do it. And so like you open it up, and you have to pretty much go here, copy that, paste, and you pick your username. So I'm going to do batches for life. Okay, so press any key to join lobby. And since nobody's in the lobby and nobody's typed anything, it cannot find the file specified. But if somebody types something like, if I say, hi guys, or YouTube, there, it creates this chat file. And get everything back up. And so if somebody else opens another one up, oops, and they make a username like, I don't know, here's one of the people that commented on one of my videos, Drill Man, or something like that. It'll open it up, and now this person, if they were on a different computer, they would have these 3 things. And if I open mine back up, so I type something, it says, hey, Drill Man, and then he can say, oh, hey, Batches for Life, how's it going? And it types up the different names here. And it also gives you the time that that person wrote it. So it's pretty useful and interesting in my opinion. So, now I don't have much time left on this video, so I'm not going to be able to show you how this all works. I'll do a tutorial later. But if you want everything to work properly, you have to both of you have to disconnect. Well, actually, only one of you has to disconnect. But when you disconnect, it deletes the chat files and it deletes that tmp.bat thing you saw. I don't know if any of you saw that, but those are now gone. When you see, and now the disconnect won't open because tmp.bat doesn't even exist. So here, I'll just show you this one. It's interesting. Alright. So it says, if not exist, percent location / tmp.bat, exit. So if that tmp.batch does not exist, it'll close itself and everything else. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, everything, you know. And goodbye.